In this region it's necessary to have ambulance boat because it's not possible to go to the hospital by car. It's about 2,000 islands that we cover in this area. It's almost 1,000 people.
In Måløy Verft, we specialize in building glass fiber catamarans. Here today we are building the second of 2 ambulance catamarans. These are the largest ambulance vessels today in Norway. What's special about this project starts with the high demands set by the Norwegian government. We need to meet tough sea conditions. We need to be operative every day of the year. We need to be reliable and we need to be environmentally friendly. It says high demand for us to choose the right components that will be placed on board in the vessel. The size of the engine matters a lot. The size means that it's easy to do maintenance on board. It means that on these tight hulls you can access all parts of the engine without having to take apart pieces. That Volvo Penta delivers a complete package with the SCR unit makes it easy for us to install it in the vessels. The most important performance of an ambulance like this is to be able to maintain a high speed at tough conditions. And we need to set patients ashore on difficult locations like islands, high harbors, low harbors.
My feeling for this vessel is very good, and for this future I hope this boat will serve this community and the people in a very good way.
This project has taken us many hours of planning, development, concepts, solutions. We are really proud to see the end result now.